Hey, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Yay! We have a flat concrete floor now. Let me show you the progress. So I came out the door this morning and the guys were here working. They had already poured all the concrete, let it set for a while, and now they're actually on top of it. They're wetting it a little bit and flattening it out with this machine. There's a guy doing the edges over there, and then another guy, pushing this machine. So it was pretty cool. Once they got done with that, I came out later after they had left, and I had talked to them before we let them go, and they showed me that they put these studs in the concrete. This is what my walls are going to be held up with. And there was also rebar in the center of this. They put gravel down, as you saw in my last video, and then they put the concrete on top of it and smoothed it all out. And he said it should take about 3 hours to dry, and they can actually even start framing tomorrow. I don't know if that's the schedule, but that makes me super excited. One thing that I thought was really, really neat is if you saw my first warehouse update with them breaking ground, we had actually written our names in the footings of it. And so I wanted to show you that, yes, everything on the concrete is flat, but look, there's our names. There's Faith, Lexi, and then James is my son, my name, Heather, and then my husband's name, Paul. And you can pretty much still see them, which I think is really, really neat. Now, once we get the building all put together and on there, you won't be able to see it as well, but as you can see, I'm super duper happy. So I'm going to give you one last look at my very flat floor foundation. I'm super excited. This is when it was still wet before they had taken the forms down. This is them working on it. I'm just going to show you some quick snapshots. Still working on it. And then, of course, when the forms are totally gone and the cement is just there. Our contractor is actually John Penn. He's a big guy that works for us, and he does phenomenal work, which is why I chose him to build our building. But I'm really, really excited about it, and they do phenomenal work. I'm going to put his link in the bottom and then also add his logo in here just so that you can see what kind of work he does. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.